Ever been excited to dive into a new game only to be stopped by an annoying Nvidia installer cannot continue error? You're not alone. Nvidia's GeForce Experience is a powerful tool for gamers, but sometimes it throws unexpected errors during driver updates. One common fix is to disable and re-enable automatic downloads in GeForce Experience. This forces a fresh download of the driver. To do this, open GeForce Experience, go to Settings, and uncheck the automatic download option. Then, re-enable it after closing the client. If that doesn't work, you can manually run the downloaded driver file using Windows File Explorer. This often bypasses the error. Navigate to C+ Program Data for Nvidia Corporation med downloader, find the driver file and double-click to install it manually. Still stuck? Reinstalling GeForce Experience might be your next best bet. Sometimes a fresh install can resolve underlying issues. Uninstall the current version from Windows settings. Download the latest version from Nvidia's website and reinstall it. Alternatively, you can manually update your Nvidia graphics driver by downloading it directly from Nvidia's Driver Download Center. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver and choose between Express or Custom, install based on your preference. With these methods, you can overcome the Nvidia installer cannot continue error and get back to gaming smoothly.